Hello everyone, welcome back to Income Patcher channel. If you are make money online as a freelancer, trader and crypto investor, and as well as you have probably faced some frustration problem over and over again. Either had a client send you payment and suddenly your bank freeze for that verification, or maybe you have tired withdrawing some crypto profits, or your payment only be hit the high sky fish and ridiculously wait times. And let's not even talk about a platform that randomly block your account with no warning. In this video, I will cover how to obtain the Tevau virtual card, how to cost associated with card, how to process, create the Tevau account, and many more. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Store and on your mobile devices and download the Tevau app. However, an important note is, in case you plan to activate the card immediately, I recommended that you first create the account and complete KYC verification. This will be ensure you will the eligible potential offers when you decided to activate the card. So one, you are installed this app, open the Tevau app, and the app requests the certain permission. Simply agree the process. If your notification appears, dismiss it and click in the close button. To create an account, navigate to the Me or Profile section at the bottom of the app, then click on the login option. Here we go. Select the register here and enter your email address. Set a password and confirm your password. Password must be 6 or 8 character. Click on get code to receive the verification code by email. In the verification code, enter the verification important for activation of benefits. Click the register option and your Tevau account is successfully created. Now, before you can activate your card, you must be complete the KYC verification process. To complete KYC verification process, follow this step. Click on KYC verification in the app. They will be asked you are in this US citizen. So if you are US citizen, you select, and you are not, and select not. Choose your country. You are in the USA or you are in Arab Emirates. Select your country. Enter your first name and enter your last name in English. Select your date of birth. First choose your year, then month, then final day. Okay. For identity verification, you must submit your national ID card or Aadhaar card or passport but driving license or any more. Select ID card, the document type. Upload your clear image of the front select of your ID. Upload a clear image of the back of side your ID. Enter your ID number. Click long term effective, then the next. Now you will be required to complete face verification. Hold your mobile and close your face to speed in the process. You will be see the virtual card activation fee is $20. However, Tevau offers discount and bonus through the lucky spend features. You can win up to $10 bonus credit, up to 60 discount of the virtual card. Since I have the 2 lucky spin, I will try my luck. So first spin, I own 2 bonus credit, you know that, and second spin, okay, I waiting. I received a 60% discount coupon for the virtual card. This is why I recommended creating an account early to take advantage of this promotion. And this is Tasin Chaudhuri. I hope so this video very important for you. And if you enjoy this video, please like this video, okay? Before activating your virtual card, you need to deposit funds in your Tevau or Tevau wallet. Click now wallet and deposit. Select USD BP or you have already some TRC20 and deposit the method already added. You can deposit funds by Binance or Bybit. Cases purpose, I am adding my $20 in my account. So activate your virtual card, click card, then virtual card, then apply now, and again now select $20 and apply. Fill in the required details and your country, phone number, and click confirm. Within few minutes, your Tevau virtual card will be successfully activated. Now we can use the card for international transaction on the platform like Amazon, AliExpress, Facebook, or Google Play Store, and some more platforms. So conclusion, using Tevau virtual card, you can easily make international payments without a requiring passport or dollar endorsement. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and comment below with any question. I will try to respond to all comments. I hope so. This video is very helpful for you. Stay home, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.